Hi everyone, today I wanted to share with you a new product that I have been testing out for a couple months now. This is one product that the very first time I tested it, I looked in the mirror and I said, oh my goodness, I could not believe the results that I was seeing. And even though I've been testing this for a couple months now, I still get tickled each time I apply this product because the before and after results to me are mind-blowing. Each time I do put it on, I will get my husband and I'm like, do you see this? Oh my gosh, do you see what is happening? Because I specifically like to put this product right here on my neck and my chest, my décolleté area. And if you're a side sleeper like I am, I wake up with those vertical lines, sometimes a ton of them. This product is instantly, within I'd say like 30 minutes, making those lines disappear. It's almost like airbrushing my entire neck and chest after I apply this. Now, this is a product that actually you're supposed to put it on your face, but of course, you know me, I like to try it on different areas of my body that I do have more wrinkles. But even I think Us Weekly wrote an article on this product where people were saying this is the holy grail of all serums. It has 5-star reviews. A lot of people were saying this is magic in a bottle. Other people were saying this completely transformed their skin. This is a product that they recommend that you put all over your face. You can use it as a makeup primer. So a ton of the comments, a lot of the women were raving about how it has changed their makeup game and it makes their makeup look absolutely flawless and airbrushed. A lot of the comments were saying that their makeup doesn't slide around anymore, their makeup stays put. And one of the biggest things that a ton of people were saying in the comments is that their foundation doesn't get stuck in their cracks and crevices on their skin anymore, because this product pretty much fills everything in, makes your makeup stay put in place, and it just gives your skin that beautiful flawless airbrushed finish. So the product that I've been testing is by one of my favorite brands, by DERMELECT Cosmeceuticals. This is their Confidence Crease Concentrate. This is actually a really unique formula. Actually, when I first started testing it out, I put a little bit in my hands and I felt it. And as you can see, it's just a very clear, kind of like gel-like product when it comes out. But when I rubbed it in my fingers, it just kind of felt like any other silicone type makeup primer. So I just kind of put it to the side and thought, okay, I'll test it later. But then, of course, I read the reviews, I read the ingredients, and I read how you're supposed to use it. I actually have it on today, and I think my makeup came out quite well. It is a fragrance-free product. It is made in the USA. It is a cruelty-free product. It has that nice silicone feel to it, but this is a product that actually does not have water in it. And what's so neat about this product is when you put this on your skin, within I'd say about 30 minutes, it reacts with your skin and it starts to plump everything up. So especially if you concentrate it on any fine lines and wrinkles, give it about 30 minutes and you will start to see the fine lines and wrinkles. They look like they disappeared. Like when I look in the mirror, I will tell my husband, oh my gosh, look at this, my wrinkles are gone. They're completely gone. Now, of course, when I wash it off, they are still there, but over time, the more I use this, I'm able to help smooth out the look of my wrinkles. But when I want my skin to look super airbrushed and flawless, this is the product I reach for, and it just blows my mind every single time I use it. It leaves the skin so silky soft, like your skin will feel like a baby's butt after you apply this product. It also has some antioxidants in it. It has a form of vitamin C that is a more stable form of vitamin C that can of course help with dark spots, hyperpigmentation. It also has other antioxidants. It has vitamin E. It also has a stabilized form of retinol in it, and it says that you can even use this AM and PM. I think it's like an encapsulated type retinol, so you're not going to get a burst of retinol, and it's not like high up in the ingredients. It's a low enough amount, and I think that's why they say it's okay to use it AM and PM. For me, I have specifically been using it on my neck and my chest area. I have been wearing V-neck tops. We've been traveling. I'm on a cruise ship right now, so my background's different. It's all yellow because we're actually on Cunard. If anyone's ever been on Cunard, at first I was hesitant to come on this cruise ship, but I love it. This isn't technically a cruise ship. What do they call it? A luxury cruise liner. And we really like it, but it's older. My husband says, don't call it old. Quit calling it an old ship. It's a classic. That's what he likes to call it. But I'll share more about this ship later. I'll do some footage and share it with you guys if you're interested. It's mostly all British people that are on this ship. So everybody's very proper and interesting. Like, really quickly, funny story. These older folks that were in the movies with us last night, they have a big movie theater here, which we love. there's not a whole lot to do. So if you have kids, your kids would probably hate this ship. And if you like to party and do all of that, you're gonna hate this ship. But if you're boring like my husband and I are, and you just like to chill, watch movies, eat all day long, I'm gonna talk about this product in a second. But we were sitting in the movies and it's like pitch black in the movie theater. And of course these older people, they're probably like, I don't know, 85, 90 years old. And they come in the theater and of course they're like talking real loud while the movie's on. And all you keep hearing them saying is, I can't see. And the wife is like, but take 2 more steps. And I'm like, golly, I'm surprised people aren't telling him to be quiet. But it was funny, you know, not funny that he couldn't see, but I took out my phone real quick and put the flashlight on, and I told my husband, I'm like, go help this guy, because the last thing we need is him falling down the stairs. So my husband goes, he shines the flashlight so the man can see. And the man, I kid you not, he's like yelling at the top of his lungs, thank you very much, and oh my gosh, you're an angel, and he's like yelling it through the theater, and my husband's like, it's okay, yeah, no problem, okay, trying to get the guy to be quiet, because the movie's like 15 minutes already in the movie, and you know people are like, shut up, but the guy just said thank you like 800 times, and of course now I get the giggles, which if you've ever been anywhere and you know you're not supposed to be laughing, like in church or something, but then it makes it worse because you know you shouldn't be laughing. I could not stop laughing because the guy would not stop, like, thank you so much, dear boy, oh, you're such an angel. Like, he just went on and on and on. Everybody's just so polite and proper on this ship, so we're loving it, absolutely loving it. Anyways, I can tell you guys more about this cruise later. All right, so now let me show you really quickly a demo of how I use this product. I just use the teeniest pump, about half a pump, to cover my entire face, and I really just concentrated on the areas around where I do have the wrinkles, and then I just kind of spread everything else all around. And this will make my foundation, on those days where I really want my foundation and my makeup to really look flawless and stay put for the whole day, this just kind of fills in all of those little divots and any fine lines and wrinkles, and just kind of gives my skin, I'd say, like an airbrushed effect to it. So if you are a primer loving person, this is a primer that I think that you're really going to enjoy. So now let me show you how I use this on my chest. So if you can see right here in the center of my chest, I am dealing with a really dark patch of hyperpigmentation. About, I'd say 2 years ago, I had posted it on Instagram. I had used a sunscreen, but I ended up getting a burn right here on my chest, and it caused some damage, hyperpigmentation on my chest. And I have been able to lighten it up with the same products that I used for my melasma on my face, but right now it looks super duper dark. And so what I'll do, like right now, you can't really notice it because I just put just a little bit of foundation and then just lightly powdered it over top. I mean, even if you look at me in person, you can't even tell I have makeup on it. That's how easy it is to cover it up. But all I do is I just put 1 pump of this all over my neck, all over my chest, and then you can even see the wrinkle. Well, it's not a wrinkle, it's where a scar where I had my neck surgery. In the after, you'll see even my scar from my neck is puffed up just a little bit from using this product, because like I said, this product doesn't have water in it. Once it reacts with your skin, it will start swelling up any of those wrinkles and crinkles, and just makes everything look like it's filled in. When I put this on, it's like magic. It just, within 30 minutes, bloop, the wrinkles look like they're completely gone, and it's just really exciting to use a product like this. Now, like I said, this is from one of my all-time favorite brands. This product right here is my all-time favorite. This is my holy grail serum of all time. This is their Self-Esteem Beauty Sleep Serum. So since I love this serum so much, of course, I had to buy a ton more products from the brand, because I thought, if this is super duper amazing and this is my all-time favorite serum ever, I wanted to see what the other products that they make, what they're all about. The other product that I love from them is their neck cream. So I'll link these 2 down below, and I also have plenty of other videos if you want to learn more about these or how to use them. And I'm not going to do a full review on all of their products, but I know many of you have left me quite a few messages saying, hey, we love the beauty serum too. A ton of you are saying, this is my holy grail serum too, because it's just an amazing product. And so many of you are asking me, hey, what else is amazing from the brand? So I have a ton of stuff from this brand. After I had initially purchased this, golly, now what, 9 months ago, after I bought this and of course fell in love with it, and started buying their products and testing them, I was kind of underwhelmed with a lot of the other products that I had bought. But the company saw my videos because I kept raving about this nonstop, and so they reached out. They said, well, could we send you a few of the other ones that you haven't tried yet and see what you think of those? So I thought, okay, sure. So they actually sent me this product. Now, I'll be honest, I had looked at this product when I was purchasing. I think I bought like 10 or 15 items from them after I had fallen in love with this. And I had looked at this product and I just was like, nah, it doesn't really interest me. So I'm actually thankful that they sent this to me, because I would have never, ever, ever even tried this product if they had not said, I think that you would like this product if you try it. So, and by the way, this is not sponsored. I never do sponsored videos. I have never done one ever, and I never will. I do have a discount code for this, actually. Actually, I have a discount code for this brand, and if you do use my discount code, I do receive a small referral commission. But of course, you never, ever, ever have to feel pressure to use my codes or discounts or whatever. But if you do, I really appreciate it. But you could just Google products that you're interested in and do your shopping that way. I'm not going to go through everything in this bag. Actually, I'll go through 2 more things. If you are dealing with vertical lip lines, this is one other product. This is their smooth upper lip product, and this is one of the products that I did purchase. And I just didn't see results for myself. I have one little wrinkle right here, and that's it. But this actually just won a huge beauty award just this year. So this is a super, super popular seller. Anyone that's dealing with those vertical upper line issues, if you don't like to wear lip gloss, this is something you might want to try. Since I don't have those vertical wrinkles, that's probably why I didn't see any results, because I don't know what I'm gonna see if I don't have the wrinkles yet, thankfully. And other people that watch my channel have left me comments saying that this is fabulous. So this might be something you like. Now, there are other things that I love, love, love. Like, I love their nail polishes. The one that I have on today, this one is, it's like a sheer pink, but it's got like this really pretty iridescence to it. This is called Makeover. This is one of my absolute favorites. Their foot cream, oh my gosh, their foot cream is just heavenly. One thing that I think is terrible is their lip plumper. I honestly, when I put it on, I quickly had to wipe it off. It doesn't cause plumping the way my City Lips does, but it literally, like, okay, like if you're congested, it will really clear out your sinuses, because it just smells like Vicks Vapor Rub. You know, the kind that you put all over your chest when you were a kid if you had a sinus cold. And that's really all it feels like. And so I think I'm probably allergic to the Vicks Vapor Rub, the menthol that's in this, because when I put it on, my lips get so irritated. Not like in a nice, pretty plumping, just like that irritated, burning, stinging. And so I just don't like this product. But some people might like it. So if you have questions, so that I don't have to do a super long video on every single product, what I like, what I don't like on each product, because, you know, maybe for some people that just might be kind of boring, just leave me a comment. If you wanted to see one of my other videos on why their Self-Esteem Beauty Sleep Serum is my all-time favorite serum, and of course how to use this product in your skincare routine and why it will give you the most amazing skin of your life, I'm going to pop that video up here if you wanted to click on it and check it out. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.